because I read a little book that said I should.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. A few years ago, I bought this little book. It's called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and it's by Marie Kondo, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this, especially lately. She has a Netflix show called simply Tidying Up, and it involves the Japanese art of organizing and decluttering. Decluttering and organizing, yeah, in that order. Anyway, the whole idea around this art is to thoughtfully go around the house, and when you're organizing and decluttering, you actually have somewhat of a conversation with each item that you put away or don't. So what we're going to do in today's video is actually choose a part of my house and use this very method to tidy it up. I've already picked where we're going in my house, and it's not the kitchen, it's not the garage. It is a place that normally I would not let anybody see because I can never get it organized. If I do, or at least think I do, it does not last long. So I'm going to take you guys with my phone, and we are going to take a look at my closet and the stuff that has overflowed out of my closet. You'll see. I warned you. This is my closet. And some of you may remember that we have attempted to clean this up before. And this is something that doesn't last long for me because I don't think I get it organized the right way in the first place. Yeah, it's bad. But here's something that's even worse. That is actually a very nice chair right there. It's filled with all of my clean clothes. Doesn't look like it, but those are clean. I just haven't put them away. So let's get to tidying up this very, very sad closet of mine. So the rules for tidying up a closet is to take absolutely every piece of clothing that you own, on the hanger or not, and pile them in one place, which my place will be right here. Now, I think for most people, it's not only their closet that holds all of their clothing, it's also, of course, a dresser. Well, I don't have a dresser. I have little drawers that I got at the Container Store inside of my closet, and I can't even seem to put my clothing away in those. I'll tell you guys the truth, I'm a little afraid of taking all of the clothes out of my closet and putting them here because I have a tendency to not finish what I started. So for all I know, I'm gonna haul everything out, put it on my bed, and at 10 o'clock tonight, I'll be sleeping under it. Here comes all my stuff. This is everything that was in my closet. I just want to move this because it's too bright and staring me in the face. Anyway, this is all my clothes. Shoes are down there. I have set up the drawers over there. I will move the camera, but I am going to start telling my clothes thank you, and I think I love you, and goodbye, and thank you. Did I already say that? Maybe. All right, let's go. All right, I'm going to refer to the book on how I'm supposed to go through all of this stuff. The first thing I see is sort by category, not by location. So I did say my closet, which is a location, but what I meant was clothing, including shoes. Okay, tidying order. I'm actually glad she gave me a tidying order because I honestly don't know where to start and it's all mixed up. So if it says shirts first, how am I supposed to, oh my God. For the first category, clothing, I recommend dividing further into the following subcategories. I have to subcategorize this stuff. Tops, bottoms, clothes that should be hung, socks, underwear, bags, accessories, clothes from specific events, swimsuits, kimonos, uniforms, etc. I think I might have a kimono looking something. And then shoes. Place every item of clothing in the house on the floor. It's on my bed. And I saw on the show, Tidying Up, they put it on the bed. So I don't want to put my stuff on the floor. It's already there. in there. Downgrading to loungewear is taboo. So basically it means if you're gonna wear loungewear every day, like you're downgrading your wardrobe into stuff that's comfortable, that's taboo. How to fold. You know what, I think I'm gonna look that up on the internet. The best way to fold for perfect appearance. Let's look it up. Kondo folding comes right up. Oh, here she is. 2 minutes. How to fold clothes. Okay.
The key point here is to feel the piece of clothing with your hands and communicate your affection through your palms. It is very important to have this thought in mind while you fold your clothes. Folding clothes is not about making it compact, but it is about love, to communicate your affection and gratitude for their continuous support.
Oh my God, my husband's home.
Managing partner. That's one closet?
That's my closet. Now I have to tell every little piece thank you and that I love it.
That's all in there, huh? Wow.
We're going to be sleeping under that tonight. I'm sorry that I started.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry for me, not for you. It's all this lady's fault.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, I'm about 2 hours in. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is what's left on the bed. Have not touched the shoes. This is all the stuff so far that I don't want. And here's a little sample of how you fold your tank tops when you're tidying up. And that's how you fold your jeans. And I've started hanging up some items, but not near everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. This has become a family affair. Debbie, are you bored? All right, you guys, as you can see, my bed is clear. You want to know why? Because it's all down there. We're going into day 2 of my condo cleaning, KONVO. I am going to continue this, but in the meantime, I want to show you guys how you are supposed to fold stuff. T-shirts, tank tops, pants. All right, we're going to start with a tank top, and I will unfold it to refold it. You gotta feel your garment, put love into it, and say thank you and all that good stuff. In thirds. And you're gonna fold this side over, and if it's a camisole and there are strings, it's the same as this tank top. You count that as the length of the item, going that far. So you've got that nice little package, and then you go in thirds. And if it stands up, you've done it right. All right, so this is one of my husband's t-shirts, and this is how I fold our laundry. Not anymore. All right, so I've got to feel this garment up. Nice garment. Fold one side in, take the sleeve, fold it in. Same as the other side. Fold it in half, and then in thirds. Ta-da! And finally, here is a pair of jeans. And when folding, I believe Marie Kondo does this way, but I actually like to do it this way so that I can see which jeans they are according to the pocket. These jeans were actually in my pile to be given away or whatever. So take this part, fold it over in half, and then this is just going the other way. and I can see which pair of jeans it is. So you guys, my tidying up is done. And before I show you the results of what took me 3 days, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience. Maybe I should start off by letting you guys know that I am a closet hoarder. Closet meaning both hidden and my closet. I don't know why, but I find it extremely difficult to get rid of my stuff. But I think this time I managed to do a pretty good job. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I think as far as the folding, yeah, that was a good idea. It's nice how everything stands up and you can see what you're looking at rather than everything laying on top of each other and you having to peel it up to see what's under there. But I did do some laundry since then, and I have to say the folding, the style of folding takes twice as long as I would normally take to fold anything. And on top of being a closet hoarder, I am also extremely lazy. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep it up, but I'm going to try as long as I can. Okay, so let me show you guys what I did. All right, here's my closet. This is what's left after tidying up. And check this out. Those are all of my tank tops. And I can easily see which tank top I am picking out. Those are shirts. These are all of my sweatpants, workout stuff, bras and underwear. I don't know what that is. Now, as you can see, there is a drawer missing, and this one is completely empty, and that's how much I got rid of. That right there is a whole other video that I am not going to do. Okay, back to the missing drawer. This is where all my empty drawers were, where I was putting the clothing once it was folded correctly. And as you can see, we have an entire drawer filled with empty hangers. That's how much clothes I got rid of. And there's the chair you couldn't see before. Empty. So I'm actually wearing something that I hadn't seen in a long time and decided to actually keep, even though it's missing buttons, and the ones that are on there are floppy, and it's got a nice hole right there. I told you, hoarder. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video where I tidy up my closet using the Marie Kondo method. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below, and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye.